प्रोफेसर राम गोपाल यादव, श्री जयराम रमेश एंड नरेश अग्रवाल। व्हाट इज
माननीय सभापति जी, संविधान के अनुच्छेद 110 आर्टिकल 110 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन,
यू आर 267।
हाँ, हमने 267 में ये विवाद का मुद्दा रहा है, सदैव से रहा है, लेकिन जब से सरकार आई है इस सदन में बहुमत न होने के कारण निरंतर ये सरकार इस सदन की उपेक्षा करने का प्रयास करती है। प्रयास नहीं क्या करती, करती है। 2 दिन पहले लोकसभा में एक बिल आया, इस समय नोटबंदी या नसबंदी जो भी कह ले,
यू कैन नॉट क्रिटिसाइज लोकसभा हियर।
हमने क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहे, हमने कहा नहीं, हमने कहा मैंने लोकसभा को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं किया, मैंने गवर्नमेंट
डोंट रेफर टू व्हाट हैपेंड इन लोकसभा विदाउट रेफरिंग यू से व्हाट यू वांट।
मैं क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लोकसभा में क्या हुआ मैंने वो बताया। श्रीमन जो बिल आया, उस बिल में जो सेकंड डिस्क्लोजर स्कीम लाए, उस बिल को ये मनी बिल के रूप में लाए। श्रीमन 110 में बड़ा क्लियर दिया हुआ है कि कौन कौन से बिल मनी बिल होंगे। एक क्लास 3 में, आर्टिकल 110 के क्लास 3 में एक स्पेशल शब्द लिखा हुआ है कि स्पीकर ऑफ द हाउस जो भी डिसीजन लेंगे लोकसभा के स्पीकर, वो फाइनल होगा। ये दिया है, इवन मैं इसको स्वीकार करता हूं, उसमें दिया है, लेकिन ये कहीं उसमें रोक नहीं लगी हुई है कि ये सदन उस पर डिस्कशन नहीं करेगा, ये सदन उस पर अपनी राय नहीं देगा, ये सदन कहीं पर से बाध्य नहीं कि उस पर पुनर्विचार न करे। ये भी कहीं नहीं, कहीं पूरे में 186 और 110 दोनों देख लीजिए, कहीं नहीं, बल्कि 186 के 6 में पैरा में दिया है हम अमेंडमेंट कर सकते हैं, अमेंडमेंट लाएंगे, अमेंडमेंट को स्वीकार करके भेज सकते हैं, हमको ये अधिकार है।
You go by the procedure.
लेकिन जो ये बाध्यता है कि लोकसभा उसे
go by the procedure.
मैं ये कह रहा हूं, लोकसभा उसे माने न माने, इस पर कहीं ना कहीं साइलेंस है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी और हमारा जो नियमावली है। मैं ये चाहता हूं श्रीमन, मेरा एक प्रस्ताव है, एक सदन की सर्वदलीय समिति बना दी जाए, जो समिति इस पर विचार करे, क्योंकि जीएसटी को भी ये लोग सेकंड टाइम मनी बिल के रूप में ला रहे हैं।
no, ये लोग नहीं करते, स्पीकर करते। क्या बोलते हैं,
बाईपास करना चाहते हैं।
ये लोग नहीं करते, स्पीकर करते हैं।
हमारे में आके ना मेरा प्रस्ताव है, मेरा जयराम रमेश जी भी है, रामगोपाल जी बोलेंगे, मेरा प्रस्ताव है, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं, मैं प्रस्ताव पढ़े देता हूं। मैं सदन से प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि संविधान के अनुच्छेद 110।
No. Listen. See, listen. No, please. If you cannot move a motion without the chair's permission.
आपने जो परमिशन दे दी,
मोशन के लिए परमिशन नहीं दिया। No.
हम बोले
No. Let us make it very clear.
नहीं है।
जरा बैठिए। Now see, no. Because you are given notice under 267, I allowed you to explain it. If you want to move a motion, after hearing your explanation, I should take a decision and I should allow the motion to be moved. I have not allowed the motion to be moved.
वैसे
I have not allowed the motion to be moved.
मैं चेयर को, वैसे मैं चेयर को चैलेंज नहीं कर रहा, मैं चेयर को ये बोल रहे हैं,
अरे आपका बात
हाउस नहीं चलेगा, फिर हाउस नहीं चलेगा। अगर आप बीच में इंटरव्यू करें, आपका नंबर आया तब बोलिएगा,
अरे
आपका नंबर आया तब बोले, नहीं जब नंबर आया तब बोले।
आप कंक्लूड कीजिए, then I will ask the minister.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ,
मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ,
वेंकैया जी,
बैठिए, सुनिए मेरा, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ, बैठिए प्लीज, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ, आप 1 मिनट बैठिए।
आप कभी हमसे सहमत नहीं होंगे, हम जानते हैं।
मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ।
वेंकैया जी,
once the Lok Sabha passes a bill, and then it's mentioned here, what Naresh ji is saying is right. The Rajya Sabha, even if it is a money bill, the Rajya Sabha can discuss it.
Yes.
And also, if honorable members want to move some amendment, they can move the amendment also. And again, the House can decide, and then it will go back to the other House. That is the rule position. And that there is no confusion at all. Now, what has been in practice over the years, right from Maurankar Jais to now present Speaker, what has been vogue is not a new creation of this government, or because
it is in the Constitution.
You should understand that is the practice, that is the parliamentary practice. Simply because you have more members, you have more numbers, sometimes you don't allow us also. That also is happening. But at the same time, what I'm saying is, what I'm trying to submit, sir, let us go by the rules. He has just mentioned an issue. It's a 0 hour. There is no motion and there is no need to take.
No, I have not allowed the motion.
लीजिए
I have not allowed the motion to
what
be
I'm saying,
moved.
sir. Let us close
It
the
is
issue now.
He only mentioned it.
माननीय
I-
सभापति
Yeah.
माननीय
Now
सभापति
conclude now.
माननीय सभापति मेरे ख्याल चेयर को एडवाइस देने की कोई अधिकार मंत्री जी को नहीं है और जबकि हम लोग बोल रहे हैं अभी और लोग बोलने वाले
सुझाव दे
एडवांस
See, चेयर को सुझाव देने के अधिकार सबको है,
डायरेक्शन देने का नहीं है डायरेक्शन देने का
लेकिन एडवाइस नहीं है, सजेशन सजेशन। नो प्लीज।
मैं ये कह रहा हूं
या
मेरा कहना है वैसे तो कहीं नियम में नहीं दिया है कि आपने अगर हमको 267 में अलाउ कर दिया तो हम कहीं प्रस्ताव के लिए फिर से परमिशन मांगे क्योंकि 267 बिना प्रस्ताव के अलाउ ही नहीं हो सकता। आप पढ़ लीजिए अगर उसमें प्रस्ताव नहीं है तो 267 अलाउ नहीं हो सकता और अगर आपने हमको अलाउ किया है
मोशन कर
नहीं देखिए उसमें लिखा है उसमें मोशन लाना पड़ेगा बिना मोशन के 267 आप
That is in the notice.
आप परमिशन नहीं
That is notice. Yes.
नोटिस में दे रखा
That is notice. I will read 267 for you.
नोटिस में
I will read 267
आप
for you.
267 पढ़ लीजिए
267. I will read it out to you. You will then understand.
देन चलो चलते रहो।
किताब है एक किताब
See, अब सुनिए अंग्रेजी में पढ़ेगा ठीक है। एनी मेंबर में with the consent of the chairman move with the consent of the chairman move बिना consent motion move करना
ऑलरेडी कंसेंट
होना नहीं।
तभी तो खड़ा हुआ।
मेरा सुन लीजिए मैं पूरा पढ़े देता हूँ
हाँ पूरा पढ़ो।
पूरे पढ़े एनी मेंबर
हाँ
may with the consent of the chairman हम एक मेंबर हैं हमने एक प्रस्ताव दिया चेयर ने उसको यस कहा हमको कॉल कर लिया तो विद कंसेंट ऑफ दी चेयर हो गया।
नो नहीं हो गया।
ये हुआ आप पढ़ लीजिए ये दिया हुआ
No, I will explain.
जयराम रमेश
I will explain. I will. नरेश जी, I will explain to you.
और आगे सुन लीजिए
हाँ.
और आगे लिखा है move that any rule may be suspended
Yeah.
and its application to the motion related to the business listed before the council of the day and if the motion is carried the rule in question shall be suspended for the time being। अब motion carried motion तो हम ले ही आए हैं अब मेरे मोशन को अगर स्वीकार आप कर लेंगे तो मोशन
अभी
सुनिए मेरी बात सुन लीजिए।
हाँ उसके
मैंने ये कहा
लेकिन कंक्लूड करो।
मैंने कहा मेरी सुनिए तक कंक्लूड करिए अभी और लोग दो लोग और बोलेंगे तो कंक्लूड करिएगा। मैंने ये कहा कि सदन के सामने हम रख रहे हैं अगर सदन सहमत है तो रूल छोटा पड़ जाएगा सदन बड़ा माना जाएगा। ये आप नियम देख लीजिए नियम में दिया है अगर सदन बहुमत के आधार पर किसी भी प्रस्ताव पर सहमत देता है तो रूल ऑटोमेटिक सस्पेंड हो जाएगा सदन की राय रूल बन जाएगी। ये तमाम रूलिंग है तो मैंने इसी मारे सदन के सामने प्रस्ताव रखा है कि सदन सहमत अगर है सदन बहुमत है तो आप इसको मान लीजिए और नहीं है तो अब मैं चाहूंगा रामगोपाल जी से जयराम रमेश जी से
Shall I explain to you? No, let me explain to him. No, let me finish this. Shall I explain to you? Now you take your seat.
सुनने के बाद
No. See, procedure. I want to explain the procedure matter. उसके लिए थोड़ा बैठिए. No. See, there is a confusion about the procedure. See, Naresh Agarwal ji is saying, because I allowed him to say his piece, he takes it as if I allowed to move the motion. See, chair, you should know, is a neutral person. And chair, you listen to it. No, please. Chair takes decision after listening to the member. So I have to decide whether I should allow your motion or not. It is for that purpose I asked you to explain. After hearing your explanation, I came to the conclusion that the motion need not be allowed.
मेरी
This is
सुन
the
लीजिए,
point.
2 दिन पहले डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब,
Yeah,
2 दिन पहले हम लोगों ने 267 की कुछ नोटिस दी थी।
yeah, Didi.
चेयर ने बिना सुने उनको टर्न डाउन कर दिया। चेयर ने कह दिया कि ये 267
चेयर has the-
सुन लीजिए, चेयर ने कह दिया 267
अभी-
के अंतर्गत नहीं आती
या,
है।
चेयर-
तो यहाँ ये बाउंड नहीं है
नहीं,
कि आप हमें
चेयर-
सुनने
ये
की
भी
बात करें।
चेयर कर सकते
अगर
हैं।
आपने हमको अलाउ कर दिया
या।
तो इसके मतलब हम अपनी पूरी नोटिस और रेजोल्यूशन को सदन पर रखने के लिए हमारे को ये आवश्यक हो गया है। ये आपका आदेश है हमको कि आप खड़े होइए, अपनी बात करिए, अपना प्रस्ताव रखिए। और मैंने रखा है प्रस्ताव।
नहीं,
अब राम गोपाल जी,
मैंने आपको सुना।
सुन लीजिए, अभी और भी लोग हैं, और भी लोग हैं।
सर मेरा भी नोटिस है ना,
हाँ, ये आपका भी है।
मेरा है
हाँ,
नोटिस।
या राम गोपाल यादव आपका है।
इसी
उसके
मसले
बाद
पर
AR रमेश का नोटिस है।
इसी मसले
I'll
पर
call
है।
you also.
सर
You
ये वेंकैया नायडू साहब ने
या।
सारी चीज स्पष्ट कर दी है, लेकिन एक चीज ये है, अधिकार स्पीकर के होने के बाद भी संसद में कुछ मर्यादाएं और मान्यताएं होती हैं जिनका अंदर और बाहर भी जिसका असर होता है। जब देश ये सोचने लगे कि डेलिबरेटली राज्यसभा को वंचित किया जा रहा है कुछ विधेयकों पर अपना निर्णय लेने के लिए, तो कहीं न कहीं लोगों के मन में ये शंका पैदा होती है कि सत्ताधारी दल लोकसभा में अपने बहुमत का दुरुपयोग कर रहा है। ये आरोप है ही, ये हमारा नहीं है, ये आम जनता का आरोप है। ये मेरा नहीं, आम जनता का आरोप है, ये मेरा नहीं। भाई कुछ परंपराएं होती हैं, कुछ मर्यादाएं होती हैं, कुछ सीमाएं होती हैं, भले ही कुछ लिखा हो, लेकिन उनसे बाहर जाके काम नहीं किया जा सकता। और इसलिए जरूरी है कि सदन की एक कमेटी बने जो अपनी रिपोर्ट दे और सरकार उस पर विचार करे। तो इसमें कुछ भी गलत नहीं है जो नरेश अग्रवाल साहब कह रहे हैं कि सब दलों की, उसमें सत्ताधारी दल के लोग होंगे, सारे लोगों को, तमाम पार्टियां हैं, 17 पार्टियां हैं, सबके मेंबर होंगे, अपनी रिपोर्ट दें और तमाम पिछले उदाहरण हैं और सारी चीज रिपोर्ट से कई चीजें और होती हैं। जरूरत क्यों नहीं है? जरूरत है जब देश कह रहा है।
Yes,
जरूरत है,
Minister रविशंकर प्रसाद, Minister. Yes,
जरूरत है।
हो गया।
इसलिए आप इनके मोशन को अलाउ कीजिए, ये मेरी आपसे अपील है।
Yeah, you are also
मोशन
given
को
notice.
allow
He has also
कीजिए
given notice.
और उस पर
Okay, there are Ramesh.
कमेटी बनाने के लिए
समझ गया?
निर्देश दिए।
Your point is clear. Here are Ramesh. You are also given notice. You can.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, the issue is a very serious issue. The issue is not whether this is a money bill or that is a money bill, but the issue is the use of the money bill route to deliberately bypass the Rajya Sabha. This happened first in the case of the Aadhaar bill. The Honorable Leader of the House quoted precedents for declaring the Aadhaar bill as a money bill. And I proved on the floor of the House, based on information that I got from the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, that the precedents that the Honorable Leader of the House had quoted were demonstrably wrong. And he had misled the House.
No, don't
Sir,
bring
1 minute.
allegation now.
1 minute.
No, come to
1
this
minute.
point.
1 minute.
No,
Let me
no.
finish.
This is not. No.
The Aadhaar
No.
bill, sir, the Aadhaar
That
bill,
is allegation cannot be.
bill as a money
You cannot
bill.
say allegation now.
the Aadhaar bill as a money bill is now in the
Allegation cannot
Supreme
be.
Court. It is being argued
Don't-
by a
on this
distinguished
subject.
member of this House. We are not questioning Article 110. We are not questioning the decision of the Speaker. The Speaker's decision is final. That's what the Constitution says. But on the 18th of November, a new twist was given to Article 110 by no less a gentleman than the respectable Honorable Deputy Chairman of the House. And if this were to set a precedent,
What do you mean
then
by that?
anything and everything will be a money bill.
No.
Sir, the Honorable Deputy...
Aspersion.
Sir, the Speaker...
No. See, number one. You cannot say, allegation, see, whatever is allegation and aspersion is expunged.
Yet you ruled money bill.
Whatever is allegation and whatever is aspersion, both are expunged.
Sir, how is it
You cannot say,
possible
sit down.
that the
You
speaker
cannot make this allegation.
says a
Sit
bill
down.
is not
You
a money
cannot
bill,
criticize the
and
ruling.
yet You give a ruling that it is
cannot.
a money bill.
No, Jayaraman
How is
Ramesh,
it
sit down.
possible?
You cannot, sit down there. You cannot criticize the ruling. Everything will go. Sit down. You cannot. You cannot. Expunge. Everything is
I'm not
expunged.
going to sit down. Why you should sit down?
Everything is expunged. You cannot criticize the ruling.
Inserting the
No, no.
chair.
You cannot.
Inserting the chair.
You cannot criticize.
Inserting the chair.
No, no.
Inserting the chair.
You cannot criticize the ruling of the chair. No.
Something unheard in the history of parliament. That somebody questions the
I am
chair
not
and then
going to explain.
engage with him in argument and then make an allegation. This is not acceptable, sir. This is not acceptable.
Expunge. That all aspersions and allegations are expunged and anything criticized the ruling of the chair is also expunged. I have no problem. I allowed it. I allowed it. See, see. See, I allowed the discussion. See, that discussion should not be used as an excuse for criticizing the ruling of the chair. Neither that should be used to make an allegation against the leader of the house. Both I do not accept. Both I do not accept.
Point of order, Bhupender ji.
Your point of order.
Sorry,
Yes,
sir.
what is the point of?
Thank you.
No, Jayaraman Ramesh, sit down.
Oh, me.
Jayaraman Ramesh, sit down.
आपके लिए.
You
Sir,
cannot.
1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Sir,
I allowed a point of order. I will allow you. What is that?
Sir, in the din, I couldn't hear you if you had already said a word
I
on
already
this.
explained it.
But I would like to submit that the honorable member suggested that the leader of the house
I explained that.
deliberately
that is expunged.
That has to be expunged.
That is
has
already
to be
expunged. I explained that.
And he should apologize.
I have
for
expunged
suggesting
it.
something like that.
Expunged कर दिया.
He should apologize for having said.
I have expunged it. Now says Sri Chidambaram. Sri Chidambaram. Sri Chidambaram. Sri Chidambaram. I will call you. Sri Chidambaram.
Yes, yes, let Mr.
Chidambaram.
speak.
Sir. Just, please sit down. Please sit down. Please, sir. Please call me now. Please sit down. Please call me. Please sit down. Sir, I can understand why the chair is sensitive to a statement that perhaps the ruling may not be correct, requires to be reconsidered. All that Mr. Jairam Ramesh pointed out was, you have given a ruling. It may be that the ruling requires to be reconsidered. There's no reason to be so sensitive that what he said should be expunged. We are before high authorities, speaker, chairman.
I only said.
Just a moment, please let me complete.
Aspersion or
Let me
question?
complete. Let me complete my submission, then you give your ruling.
Okay.
We are before high authorities. There are high constitutional authorities in this country. The speaker, the chairman, the deputy chairman, judges, they're all high constitutional authorities. But anyone can err. All that Mr. Jairam Ramesh points out, and I want to support him on that, is there is a vast difference between a financial bill and a money bill. All money bills are financial bills, but not all financial bills are money bills.
Yes.
Therefore,
that is.
if the speaker has not certified, I'm taking what he said, if the speaker has not certified a bill as a money bill, and if the secretary describes it as a financial bill,
No, please.
the question is,
Please, I'll give
is
you.
it a financial
I'll give
bill
you.
or a money bill?
I'll give you.
Now, if you have given a ruling, it is a money bill, notwithstanding a certification, that ruling may be wrong, and we earnestly urge you to reconsider the ruling.
See, I would like. Mr. Chidambaram, I'll give you. Mr. Chidambaram, you are a leading advocate. You should also know that financial bill also, the first category, cannot be introduced here. You should know that also. It can also be introduced there. That is the ruling I said. You see the constitution. You see the constitution. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. No, Minister.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am on a different issue.
Yeah.
I am on the issue, sir, I respect Mr. Chidambaram's wisdom. He is definitely knowledgeable. But at the same time, the comment that was made is the gentleman sitting on the chair. The gentleman sitting on the chair. Oh my God. You go through the record, yeah? Go through the record. The gentleman sitting on the chair, the deputy chairman, his ruling is wrong. It is sarcastical accusation against the chair. And how Mr. Chidambaram can support Jairam Ramesh instead of advising him to express regrets? It's a matter, sir. It's a matter of dignity of the house. That the chair is insulted in the entire
I
house.
will go through the record and explain.
Okay, but you should express regrets.
Yeah.
And moreover, sir, I want to put on record from the day one, from the days of Mr. Maulankar, first speaker to now speaker, sir.
Yes, sir.
The rulings are clear, the constitution is clear, nothing has been violated. What they have done, they can't criticize us. The chair has given a ruling, that's the end of the matter.
Yeah.
He should really express regrets. If it all is a true parliamentarian, sincere
Now see,
parliamentarian.
now I want to tell the House a ruling cannot be discussed or criticized. Now you, Law Minister, I called.
Sir, we all are, we all are members of this house and all of the highest regard of this house and the other house. But what is supreme is the Constitution of India. And the Constitution of India, Article 110, clearly lays down the mechanism. And it clearly says any bill altering processing of tax is a money bill. Certification comes thereafter by the Speaker in the event of a dispute. This Constitution neither we have framed nor they have framed by the founding fathers. The point to note is, if the Speaker or the Deputy Chairperson have taken a decision, will it be questioned in this manner? Will the Leader of the Opposition be said he is misleading the House? Senior members are saying, and Mr. Chidambaram, knowledgeable person, is supporting that conduct, behavior, the kind of language used against the Deputy Chairperson. It is reprehensible, sir. Both for the Leader of the Opposition and for the Deputy Chairperson, sir. This cannot be supported. Very clearly, under the garb of seeking review, you are allegedly seeking a review. You are questioning the authority, the majesty of the chair, which is not acceptable in this language. That is my position, sir. And we also condemn that the LOP has sought to mislead, sir. Repeatedly it has been said. Completely wrong, unconstitutional. I am sorry to say that he must apologize for the kind of language used against the LOP. We are very clear about it, sir.
Now all aspirations, listen. Sit down. All aspirations. Arasuri, I am, listen to me also.
The Leader of the House.
Yes, I know, sit down. I'll call you, sit down. You can speak when I allow. Now you sit down. Yes, now you sit down, I will allow you. You sit down, I will allow you. No, all aspersions against the Leader of the House and the chair are expunged. Now, second point. Let me complete. Second, see, it is a tradition of the House and the rules stipulate very well that nobody can question the ruling of the chair. That is final. Now, yes, what is that you want to say?
Point is
No,
that
this is over.
it is being talked. No, sir. Please, on this issue.
On this issue.
Just 2-3 sentences, please.
No, you can say, but you cannot criticize the
point
ruling.
is that, yes, I agree with Honorable Minister that Constitution is supreme. But I also plead to the wisdom of all ours. We have amended this supreme authority umpteen number of times based on the experiences. Here the point is there that out of the experience, and use or abuse of certain clauses of the Constitution, the matter needs a review. In the matter that on the issue of identifying a bill as money bill and depriving one part of the parliamentary process from intervening on the issue. Issue is this: if this sounds to be the aspersion or insinuation of our great constitution and chair, it is unfortunate, you may expunge. But at least I should be heard on that. Nobody can brush aside any issue like that. And what is government that is doing?
Okay. Now see, there, Article 110 is very clear about money bill. See, final authority decide which is a money bill is the Honorable Speaker. And if the Speaker has decided, that is final, number one. Number two, I have to say one more thing. There is financial bill category 1. Those bills can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Only in the Lok Sabha. Yes, it is time for question hour.
The introduction